Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back with another video. This video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down for beautiful videos, and subscribe my channel, and like this video so my notification will get you first when I post my new video. So let's start the video without wasting any beautiful time. So let's start the video. So you can see the first picture, you can see the black color wall and roof, and the floor you can see white color, and the bed, the cupboards and all white color, the lamp also very beautiful. This one also the table, you can see the LED lights, the wall decoration, the roof, the lamp, the mirror, the window, very beautiful. The floor also very beautiful. This one also the luxury room, you can see black color, beautiful, looking very beautiful, very good. And the wall also very beautiful, the lamps and all very beautiful. This one also very beautiful, you can see the small bulbs and all, and the cactus plant very beautiful, very good. And this one you can see the floor, roof you can see beautiful, Netflix, the photos you can see very beautiful photos and all. I love this one, very expensive. This one also you can see the chairs, the walls and the mirror and all very beautiful, very good looking, you can see. And the flower, the white color. This one also the wall, you can see the roof, the light, the bed, it is very beautiful. And the bed also black color, very beautiful decoration. This one also the black color TV frame, you can see the sides, you can keep your things, VIP things and all good things. The floor you can see the downfire, you can see. This one also the sofas and all white color. The mirror, the window is very beautiful, you can see the outside view, very beautiful view. This one also in blue color room, very beautiful, you can see the pillows and all very beautiful. The white color theme, beautiful white color theme. And this one the floor, you can see the floor, beautiful floor, wooden theme. The wall you can see like gray color, very beautiful. This one also you can use, or you can use TikTok and all, any website for making a vlog or anything, very beautiful place. This one also very beautiful, you can see the bed, the floor, you can see very beautiful floor, very nice, very good, looking very beautiful. The wall also. This one also you can see the table, you can keep your things and all, you can study here. It is very beautiful place, very good. The candles and all. This one also you can see the cupboard, the mirror, the lamps and the floor, wooden floor, very beautiful floor. This one also you can see the the candles and all, the lights, the wall you can see beautiful wall, silver color, the lamps and all. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon so that I can bring for you beautiful videos. So I hope you like this video, so don't forget to comment me down. So if you like this video, so thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.